Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a very calming painting of a rabbit in a snowy day. So let's get started. We'll start by adding a margin of 1 centimeter and then we will mask that up as well. And then we'll start with the sketch and go ahead with the painting part. So right now I'm making a mark at 1 centimeter and then later on I will use these markings for masking the masking tapes. Once we are done masking the paper, add a line like this for the ground and add a semicircle for the rabbit. Then over here make an oval like this and then we will make its hand here and leg portion as well here and its ears this way. Then the ears that are behind it. Now we'll add its eyes and mouth and that's it. We are done with the sketch. Now we'll move ahead to the painting part. We'll start by mixing colors. I'm going to take brown color and add it over here. Make a puddle of dark brown color. Next we are going to take Prussian blue and mix it in this puddle again. Also add a little bit of green and you will get this greenish blue color that we will be using for the background. We'll start with the background and we will keep the rabbit almost white. So we'll use the color that we mixed and we'll start by lightening up the sketch over here. And then using the paint itself, we'll start to add color in the background. I start from the rabbit here and then we'll slowly work ourselves towards the other side of the painting. Once you have applied color all over the picture, you take a clean brush, make it wet and use that brush to add droplets in the background. Like this, you just have to give a little bit of tap and let the water flow. Make sure that at this stage your painting is kept flat on the surface. Now once it's dry, we'll start to work on the rabbit. We will first clear the edges if any. Like over here there was some blue color that got over the rabbit, so I am clearing it up, and now over here I'm adding a very watery blue color right under its ears. Next, add a little bit of crimson and purple color over here, and then using a clean brush we will blend it up. The thing is that white always reflects light, so whenever you're painting a white object you will have to observe that object and see what light is it reflecting. Is it reflecting yellow? Is it reflecting green? Is it reflecting purple or red? In our case, the rabbit is reflecting gray, purple and red colors. Red, if I talk about, then crimson in specific. And you can see over here how I'm adding shades in this lower area and right under the face of the rabbit. Color on the inside of the ears as well this way. Again, we are just adding shadows on the rabbit and we'll try to make it pop this way. A big brush, you apply Payne's gray color over here and then add a little bit of crimson like this and a little bit of purple as well over here, and then using a wet brush you blur it up this way. Allow the colors to flow from the ground towards the rabbit. I lift it up and I add color like this and let everything flow down this way. It will create a very beautiful transition. Using black color, you add its eyes here and its smile. Gray color, I will darken up this bottom portion again to show the shadow in between the snow and the rabbit. You're done with this and the painting is completely dry, you take white gouache and take a lot of it on your brush and then tap like this to show the snow this way. You can also make some specific dots for snow using your brush itself. And now wait for it to dry. Once it's dry, you remove the masking tape. Be very careful while removing the masking tape. And that's it. We are done with the picture.